24th of September 2024 saw my wife and I visiting the Swanage Railway in Dorset. We started our journey at Norden, where there is a big, very fairly priced car park. After purchasing our tickets, there was time to look around Norden station, with the stock in the sidings catching my eye, with cranes, a tiny Planet diesel shunter and a selection of vans, including a power van. I'd really hoped to see the Adams T3 that has recently been restored, and I was not disappointed as she was in steam and was soon arriving at Norden. The London South Western T3 class were designed for the London South Western Railway by William Adams. 20 were constructed between 1892 and 1893. One, number 563 here, has been preserved and has recently been restored to full working order. After her arrival and running around the train, she was coupled up, and I assumed the position so familiar since the age of 7, hanging out of the window and getting my hair full of cinders. Now just listen to her chuff as she gets going. Note she has 2 whistles fitted. As we get underway, you can see the iconic Corfe Castle appear. Corfe Castle was built shortly after the Norman conquest of 1066. Since then it's seen its fair share of battles, murders and miracles, and has been home to kings, knights and princes. After a brief stop at Corfe Castle, the T3 makes a slippery start and heads towards Harmans Cross. This is a request stop, but a lovely station all the same. The guard, having checked for passengers, waves his green flag, and once again the T3 chuffs powerfully away. What a sound! Before long we were sweeping down into Swanage station itself, where of course I had to have my photo taken next to the T3.
Platform 2 for the 11:20 service to Norden.
The T3 then ran around its train ready to depart for Norden. We stayed to watch its departure.
We got that. Not in great style. It was double figures. We did all right. Cheers. Nice to see you, mate.
The tender filled up with water and it was time to go. Not the best place for photos and videos, but a nice shot of her leaving all the same. We had a look around the station at Swanage, but it's clear all the good stuff is further up the line, probably reachable on foot and from the road bridge just outside the station. Soon the T3 was on her way back, and we made ready to catch her to Corfe Castle for a look around, so why not join us?
The accessible space on this service is in coach C, near the this train. Please stand clear of the platform edge and you want to take to board the train until the
Seated comfortably and chatting with our newfound friends Brian and Wendy, we were soon on our way and arriving at Corfe Castle, where we watched the train depart. Corfe station is very nice with a very impressive signal box. We then took a look outside of the station, taking in the castle and busy streets centred around a square. What do you think of it so far?
Rubbish.
Now a sequence I'm very pleased with. Our train in the landscape. How lovely does she look? After a picnic lunch in the station gardens and a cup of hot chocolate from the station coach buffet, it was time to film the arrival of our train back to Norden. Back at Norden, I hurriedly climbed the bank to film the T3 running around its train and caught some stunning views of her. I really hope you enjoyed that and managed to stay with us on the video. I know it's a bit long at 15 minutes, but you will understand my excitement at seeing this beautiful locomotive in steam. Bye for now.